Doctor, you would agree that when you reviewed the records on behalf of the defense, you reviewed over 1,000 pages of medical records. Isn't that true? Yes. And you're telling us today that you have no notes whatsoever as a result of your expert review during the time that you reviewed these records. Is that true? Now, if the doctor has notes, can I ask for them during the course of trial? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. So now it's a medical malpractice trial. The defense has just finished putting on their medical expert. So now I get up to question the doctor in cross-examination. And one of the first series of questions I ask him is whether he brought any records or notes with him. The answer is no, he didn't. Now, if I ask the question, why not, do you know what he's going to say? Because the defense attorney told me not to bring in any records, all the medical records would be in court, and I'd be able to refer to it at any time I need to. Now, I don't want to ask that question. I know what the doctor's going to say. Instead, I want to show to the jury that this guy clearly had to have made notes. Doctor, isn't it true that you see many patients during the course of the week? You see maybe 100, 150 patients? Yes. And you see them 4 or 5 days a week? Isn't that true? Yes. And since the time that you first reviewed these records, 3 years ago, you're telling me that you did not review the records since that time up until yesterday? That's true. And doctor, what did you use to refresh your memory? Oh, I went through all the records. You're telling us you went through 1,000 pages of medical records in one evening? Yes. How long did it take you? And did you make any notes yesterday? And now, this whole series of questions is designed to show to the jury that it's highly improbable, highly unlikely, that the doctor spent so much time, reviewed all these medical records without making any notes. Let me share with you a great example of using this strategy that I used a number of years ago in a trial when I was cross-examining the defense's medical expert. I asked the doctor in the first series of questions, Doctor, did the defense attorney send you any records to review? Yes, he did. Did he include a cover letter? Yes, he did. Where's that cover letter, doctor? Oh, it's sitting on my office in my desk. Yes, really? That's in your office? Yes. Your office is in Manhattan, isn't that true? Yes. Terrific. At the break, I'm going to ask you to call your office and have your secretary fax to the court the cover letter that they sent to you. Oh, it's not on my desk. Really, doctor? Where is it? Oh, it's in my car. I remember I put it in my car after I left for the day. Really? It's in your car. Where's your car? It's at the office. Who's got the key, doctor? My office does. So during the break, I'm going to ask you to call your office, have them go to your car, open up the trunk, take out the cover letter so you can fax it to the court, and so we'll be able to take a look at it. Oh, no, I remember I left it at home. So this whole series of questions basically elicited one lie after the next after the next. And all the doctor had to say was, I don't know where it is. I don't have it. I didn't review it. But that also would have created another lie. So this doctor dug a hole deeper and deeper and deeper simply because of the fact that he lied to us and he lied to the jury about where this simple cover letter was, and in all likelihood, this cover letter would have shown nothing other than, hey, Dr. Jones, here are the following records we're sending to you. Please review them and call us to let us know your opinions and conclusions. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in a medical malpractice case and just one strategy that we can use when questioning a medical expert here in the state of New York. You know, I realize you've got questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're contemplating bringing a lawsuit and you've got legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.